Question is why? Why are some people succeeding while others are failing? Some are thriving while others are just surviving. As you guys ponder that question for a minute, I just want to appreciate the support. And if you guys would continue by hitting that subscribe button, I would truly appreciate it. Now let's dive right in. Now we could stare at the wall all day trying to come up with a solution. But instead I'm going to give you the key to success right now. Every day, millions of transactions are going on, whether it's online or at the mall. Money is just constantly flowing. And it all started with an idea which they took action on. Now, what is different from you? What is holding you back from living that lifestyle that you truly desire? We all have dreams, goals, and desires, but the question is, why do we settle for less? We all have these thoughts and beliefs going in and out of our minds all day long, which limit our full potential. I mean, think deep for a second. Really, pause the video and think deep. Write down what limiting beliefs are stopping you. With technology and social media at our fingertips, there's no excuses for the amount of resources and networking we could do with just a click of a finger. Connections all across the world are just one click away. From families to friends, customers, clients. Let's keep it simple. We come up with the idea, we plan it, we strategize, we take action, and it's success. Having an outcome and a map makes this process 10 times easier. For once going through the map, you can test it, see if it's working. If it's not, then it's back to the drawing board. And you try again. If that direction isn't working, stop, change direction, and try again. But what you don't do is give up. You keep trying, and you always remember, 2 minds is better than 1 mind. Money's just going around the globe, around and around. The question is, how bad do you want it? Do you want this all to be yours? Do you want to live your dream life? Well, that's up to you and your decisions and your actions. Guys, thank you so much. If you guys liked the video, please hit like. If you're not a subscriber, subscribe. And let me know what you guys want next in the comments section below. See you on the next one.